Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Wi-Fi manually Windows 11. Open Settings from Start. Here in Network and Internet, click on Wi-Fi. Then open the option Manage Known Networks. There you will click on the button Add Network. In the pop-up window, enter the name of the network, its security type, and if you wish, check the boxes so that it connects automatically. When finished, click on Save and you will see this Wi-Fi network added to the system manually. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.